What's up, guys? This song is going out to my brother. He requested this one a while ago. A Billionaire by Travis McCoy. I figured it out a while ago, and I was really trying to make it perfect, and I realized it's never gonna be perfect. So whatever. Tiny, this one's for you. I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. Wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. But every time I close my eyes, see my name in shining lights. A different city every night. Oh, I swear we're better prepared for when I'm a billionaire. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, guys. Kidding, everybody.